Oh, friends, it's time to relax. Look at this rain. Oh, oh, yeah. I wanted to train here. What do you think? Can I train? Can I train? Maybe it's not a good idea. Oh, look. Oh, yes. Yes. Lovely. Grass needed some rain. Yes. Oh, lovely. Nice. So my training will need to wait. Maybe it will be somewhere else. Maybe we'll somewhere. Yeah, will be somewhere else. Indoors. Yes. Oh, this is beautiful. Yes. Nice and fresh. I'm in shorts, t-shirt, and yes. Oh, look at this. I got a refuge. Oh, nice. I guess so many people here they pissed. I don't know, but it's okay. Ooh, nice. Yeah. What do you think? Oh yes. Some writing is here. Yeah, nice sign. What? Yes. Oh, beautiful tree. Must be very old tree. Anyway, life is beautiful. I always say, life is beautiful. This is a log. I'm not gonna sit on here. What's there? Oh my God! I don't know. I don't see properly. Yeah, maybe. What are these? Mushrooms. Yeah, maybe. Okay, guys. Yeah, nice. What do you think? Yeah. I'm not indoors. I'm outdoors. But it's nice here. Yes. A little covered. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I was dancing today. I didn't train like I wish, like I wanted, but yeah, I still dance, and I sang. Oh yes, I was singing. Okay, anyway, guys, yeah, a little oh yes, come and go. Yeah, nice better. So you see the rain, and now it's quiet and nice, lovely. I don't think I will be able to train, but yes, yeah. Let's see. Okay, guys, have a lovely, have a lovely day. Bye.